Hello and welcome back to our channel. On this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to link your demo account or real account to MetaTrader 5. So let's head on and do that right now. So on your back office of Deriv, look right up here. You have your demo account and your real account. So you can easily just navigate from demo to real or real to demo. So let's head on and do that for a demo account. So for our demo account, we're going to be clicking on demo. Once that opens, you can see right here you have the standard demo account with $10,000 of audio money in that, right? It's not your money, it's a broker's money. So you click on the that and you have your details right here. So you're going to copy this login ID, right? And using the password you created while you were creating this demo account. But before that, what broker are we using on the MetaTrader 5? You're going to copy this. Make sure you copy this right here, the broker, right? Copy the broker link or the broker title that is there. Just copy it. Click on copy and you can see that I've copied it, right? And you head on now to MetaTrader 5. On MetaTrader 5, you're going to see these lines at your top left. So head on and click on those lines, and then you click on manage account. After clicking on manage account, you're going to see this right over here, this plus sign. You click on that plus sign and you will see this find broker. So this is where we come into. So right here, you paste what you just copied. That's deriv.com, right? And then you click on. When you just paste that, this is going to come up automatically. You'll see deriv.com limited. This is for demo, okay? So you click on that and then you will see they will ask you to open a demo account or log into an existing account. So we are logging into an existing account. So here we're going to go back to our back office and copy our login ID to paste it here, and then we also input our password here and make sure the saver, this is at Deriv demo, okay? And sometimes or most of the times I recommend that you always tick this, so that your password on your login ID remains on your MT5 application, okay? So let's head on to our back office. So you simply just copy your login ID, which is this one. Just copy it and then you move back to MetaTrader 5. Paste your login ID right here and then you input your after inputting your password, just head on and click on login. Perfect. You can now see that my demo account has been successfully logged onto my MT5 application, right? So head on to it, click on it. It's open already, right? So you just come down here and you do exactly what you have to be doing. So right here we have our demo account created and we just logged in, and we have our practice fund right in front of us. So use it to practice until you're able to have a consistent strategy. I hope you're enjoying your experience with us. Please drop your comments in the comment section if you have any worry or exactly what you want us to cover on the next video, okay? And please, if this video did also help you, smash that like button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell for more trading review.